Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Mr. B.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone.
Before we start learning today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe and join our English family. Today's episode is super useful. We'll explore a real English conversation at the airport.
That's right. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident speaking English when you travel. From check-in, security, boarding, all the way to talking with flight attendants.
So get your notebook ready. Let's learn some real English you can use in real life.
Airport ambiance. Luggage rolling, announcements faintly in the background.
Mr. B, airports are so big. Sometimes I don't even know where to go first.
Haha, I know that feeling. Let's start with the first step. Finding the check-in counter. You usually need to check in to get your boarding pass and drop off your luggage.
Right, so if I arrive at the airport, what should I say?
Good question. Let's imagine you're at the entrance of the airport and you don't know where to check in. You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for airline name?"
Okay, for example, excuse me, where is the check-in counter for Cambodia Angkor Air?
Perfect pronunciation, Anna.
Thank you. And if the person answers?
They might say, "It's on the left, next to counter number 5. Or, "Go straight ahead and turn right."
So polite and easy. I'll try, "Thank you very much."
Exactly. Always say thank you. Polite English makes people smile. Vocabulary time. Check-in counter. The place where you get your boarding pass and drop off luggage. Boarding pass. The paper or digital ticket you show to board the plane. Luggage or baggage. Your bags or suitcases. Counter. The desk where airport staff help you.
Got it. Check-in counter, boarding pass, luggage, and counter. Easy.
Now, let's imagine you arrive at the check-in counter.
Okay, I have my passport and ticket ready.
Good. Here's a typical check-in conversation. I'll be the airline staff and you'll be the passenger. Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay.
Your bag is 18 kilograms. That's fine. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A12 and boarding starts at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
That sounds so real. I like how polite both people are.
Yes, politeness is key in English. Remember these phrases. May I see your passport, please? Here you are. Have a nice flight. These are short, polite, and easy to remember. Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Here you are.
Have a nice flight.
Have a nice flight.
Great job, everyone. Scene 3. Going through security.
Okay, Mr. B. Now I've checked in. What's next?
Next, you go to security check. They will check your carry-on bag, and you'll walk through the metal detector.
Oh, yes. Sometimes they ask me to take off my shoes or jacket.
Exactly. Here's what you might hear. Please put your bag on the conveyor belt. Take out your laptop and liquids. Empty your pockets. Step through the scanner, please.
That's a lot, but I can practice. Okay, do I need to take off my shoes?
Excellent. That's natural English. And the officer might say, "Yes, please," or "No, it's okay." Vocabulary time. Security check, where they check bags and people for safety. Carry-on bag. Small bag you take on the plane. Conveyor belt. Moving belt where bags go through the scanner. Metal detector. The gate you walk through to check for metal items.
Now I understand everything that happens at the airport.
Perfect, Anna. You're ready to fly.
After security, sometimes I get lost again. Airports are like mazes.
Yes, you can always ask for help. Try saying, "Excuse me, how do I get to gate A12?"
Excuse me, how do I get to gate A12? Got it.
Or, if you want to sound more natural, "Excuse me, is gate A12 this way?"
Oh, that's short and easy.
And you might hear, "Go straight ahead." Take the escalator down. Turn left at the coffee shop.
Nice. I love real-life directions.
Mini practice. Okay, Anna, let's do a mini role play. I'll be a traveler, and you'll be the airport staff. Excuse me, how do I get to gate B20?
Go straight ahead and turn left at the coffee shop.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Perfect! Great job, Anna, and you listeners too.
Sometimes I have to wait a long time before my flight, so I get coffee.
That's a great time to practice English. Let's order a drink together.
Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
It's $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drink will be ready soon.
That's so simple. Can I have a latte, please? It sounds polite.
Yes. In English, "can I have" is very common when ordering food or drinks.
Attention passengers, Flight 308 to Singapore is now boarding at gate A12. Oh, that's my flight.
Don't miss it. Now you go to the gate and talk to the gate agent. Good morning. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. You can board now. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Wow, so easy. I just need to show my boarding pass.
Exactly. Sometimes they also check your passport, so keep it ready.
Practice tip. When you're at the gate, always listen for now boarding, final call for flight, gate number. These are common words in airport announcements. I always hear final call. What does it mean?
Good question. Final call means it's your last chance to get on the plane. If you don't go, the gate will close soon.
Oh no, I don't want to miss my flight. Scene 7. On the plane.
Welcome aboard. Now you're on the plane. Let's learn some English for talking with flight attendants. Hello. Welcome aboard. Can I see your boarding pass?
Sure. It's seat 14A.
Great. Your seat is on the left, next to the window.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much. Vocabulary time. Aboard means on the plane. Seat means where you sit. Aisle seat means seat next to the walkway. Window seat means seat next to the window. Flight attendant means person who helps passengers. What if I need something, like a blanket or headphones?
You can press the call button or say, "Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please?" Or, "Could I get some headphones, please?"
Oh, that's so polite and easy.
Yes, English on a plane is all about being polite and simple.
Scene 8. Using the restroom on the plane. Sometimes I need to go to the restroom, but I don't know how to ask.
No problem. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" Or, "Is the restroom at the front or back?"
Simple. And if it's busy, maybe they'll say, someone's inside.
Exactly. And then you can reply, "Okay, I'll wait."
Scene 9. In-flight meal.
On long flights, you usually get a meal.
Oh yes, they always ask chicken or beef.
Yes, let's act it out. Would you like chicken or beef?
Chicken, please.
Here you go. Would you like a drink?
Yes, water, please.
Sure. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Very natural. Always add please and thank you. It makes your English friendly and polite.
Scene 10. Arrival at destination. Sound plane landing, seatbelt sign ding. Announcement voice. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed. Welcome to Singapore. Yay! I arrived safely!
Congratulations! But there's one more step. Immigration and customs. Immigration officer. Good afternoon. May I see your passport?
Sure, here you are.
Immigration officer. What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
Immigration officer. How long will you stay?
5 days.
Immigration officer. Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Vocabulary time. Immigration. Place where they check your passport and visa. Customs. Where they check your bags when you enter a country. Purpose of your visit. Why you are traveling. Example, business, vacation, study. Scene 11. Collecting luggage. After immigration, I go to get my luggage, right?
Yes. Look for the baggage claim area.
Oh, I always see signs that say baggage claim.
That's where you pick up your bags. You can ask, "Excuse me, where is baggage claim?"
Got it. And if my bag doesn't come?
Then go to the lost and found counter and say, "Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive. What should I do?"
That's very helpful. Scene 12. Leaving the airport. Okay, I got my luggage. Now I want to go to my hotel.
Perfect. You can go to the taxi stand or information desk.
If I want to take a taxi, what should I say?
Try, "Excuse me, where can I get a taxi?" Or, "How much does it cost to go to hotel name?"
So useful. I think I can travel alone now.
You can, Anna, and our listeners can too.
Target time.
Let's review what we learned today. Bassy airport phrases. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for blank airline? May I see your passport, please? Here you are. Where is the security check? Excuse me, how do I get to gate A12? Can I have a latte, please? May I see your boarding pass? Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please? Where is the restroom? What's the purpose of your visit?
English Practice Challenge. Here's your challenge, listeners. Try to record yourself saying one of today's dialogues. For example, the check-in conversation or talking to the flight attendant.
Yes, practice every day and you'll sound more natural and confident when you travel.
Outro.
That's it for today's episode. English conversation at the airport.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
If you found this useful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, have you ever traveled by plane before? What was your favorite destination?
We'd love to read your stories.
Until next time, keep practicing English and safe travels.
Bye-bye, everyone.